Welcome to the Doctors on Social Media podcast.
Okay, let's go.
People go like, Shaq, like Shaquille O'Neal. And I go, yeah, we're related or something. I don't know.
Sir, could you put up your arms like this, like you're holding a tray? What the hell is wrong with you? He's unconscious. I don't know. MRI?
Well, I think what makes it extra funny is that you use some of the techniques that test, patients on a neurological basis.
Limiting myself because of the opinions of others does somewhat, it sucks, but at the same time, I am aware of the fact that I do work in healthcare and this could affect the way that I'm viewed as a physician.
Do you ever worry that people following may take you seriously?
I do. I'm just standing there in front of the patient, blasting music on my phone, and it was heavy metal. So it wasn't even like nice serene music. It was like screamo and guitars, and I'm like, I don't know what's going on.
I'm wondering if you're interested in doing stand-up or other types of comedy, if that were to come up the universe.
Yeah, I think so.